Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on logarithm as well. So you are told to actually solve this simultaneous equation here. It looks pretty daunting, but don't worry, we just take one step at a time. So the first thing you should understand is that x and y has to be positive. So in order for this function to be defined, x be positive and y has to be positive. Okay, that is very, very important, because whatever is in the log function, they have to be positive for the base and also this number here. Let's see how we can solve this provision. First of all, we try and change it to the same base from this equation here, right? So maybe from 2, I label this as 2, this is 1. So from 2, I know that this will be 3x. 81 is actually 3 to the power 4, you have to know that, and 9 is actually 3 square. So when you replace 3 square, just make sure you bracket it. So many times students oftentimes get careless because they do not bracket, so just remember to bracket it here. Alright, so once you bracket it, then what you're going to do is actually distribute the stuff behind here. That's pretty okay. And basically what you're going to 3x, just slowly, this will be 3 4, and this will be 3 3 2 times 2 third times 3 over 2 times 2 with 3 minus 6y. Alright, so that's pretty okay. So here what you get is 4 plus 3, so it's 4 plus 3 minus 6y 3x. So you compare the power, they will be the same. This case here, you have x equals to 4 plus 3 minus 6y, which is 7 minus 6y. Okay, so this is 3. So replace sub 3 into 1, it means the original equation. We want to reduce this to one unknown, so we're gonna use log 4x minus log 2, 7 minus 6y equals to 2. Right, so this is pretty okay. Now we need to change the base to the same thing. Oh my goodness, x not y, sorry, I substitute the wrong stuff. So it's log 4 7 minus 6y minus log 2 y equals to 2. So what we need to do is actually we need to change to the same base. So the base here is 4 and this is 2. What we could do is actually change the base of 2. So base of 2 log 2 7 minus 6y, and this is log 2 4, which is this 4 here is 2 square, so I'm just going to put 2 square here. Alright, so this 4 is here. Just make sure that you understand how change of base work. And this is log 2y equals to 2. Alright, so once this is done, this 2 will just be log 2 7 minus 6y. This is 2 log 2, so log 2 would be 2 log 2, which is actually just 1, right? So this is just 2, this is minus. So we are able to solve this pretty okay. So multiply throughout the equation with 2. So log 2 7 minus 6y minus 2 log 2y minus 4. Alright, so this part is okay. We multiply with 2, multiply with 2. So this case here, what I'm going to do is actually just going to this is log 2y square log 2 7 minus 6y equals to 4, and this will be log 2 quotient rule. Okay, great. So this part here, what we can get is 2 to the power 4. Alright, so before you use quotient rule, just make sure the front is 1 and minus 1, right? So a lot of times students don't know that need to change to 1 and minus 1 in front, so that's why the careless mistake comes about. So this part here will be 7 minus 6y over y square equals to 2 to the power 4. You write in this index form. 2 to the power 4 is actually 16, so this is 16 y square 7 minus 6y, so we have 16 y square plus 6y minus 7 is 0. Factorize this portion here, just bring your calculator and just key in your calculator here. This will be 16 2, and this is 16 6 minus 7, and this is half and negative 7/8. So half would be 2x minus, so 2y minus 1, and then the other one would be 8y plus 7. 8y plus 7. Alright, so y equals to half or minus 7 over 8. So you reject this, okay, as you see, initially we say log 2y, so log 2 negative 7 over 8 is undefined. Okay, so this is pretty important. So y is half, so x would be 7 minus 6 over y, so x would be 7 minus 6 half, which is actually 7 minus 3, which is 4. Okay, so this would be your answer, y equals a half. And x equals to 4. Alright, so x equals to 4 is positive, so it's fine. This expression is correct. So any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.